Imagine a quiet evening, a very long time ago. The sky is dark and full of stars. Suddenly, a flash of light streaks across the heavens, and something small and green falls to earth. It's not a leaf, not a piece of regular glass. It's a piece of space itself, a gift from a meteorite. People called these strange, beautiful stones Moldavites, a tiny green gem, as if made by a jeweler. But it holds a much grander story than any human hand could write. A story that combines the fire of stars and the soil of our planet. This is a tale of myth and science. My grandmother used to say, "Some things hold the memories of the world." Moldavite is one of those things. Let's travel back in time, far into our planet's deep past. The world was very different then, about 15 million years ago. A massive asteroid, perhaps a kilometer wide, was on a collision course with Earth. It tore through the atmosphere and slammed into what is now Bavaria in Germany with unimaginable force. The impact was so powerful it would have dwarfed any explosion ever created by modern humans. In that single moment, the ground superheated, tons of rock vaporized and melted, creating the Reese crater, a huge scar on the landscape. The energy of the collision sent a column of molten material high into the sky. This liquid rock, a mix of Earth's minerals and meteorite elements, flew at incredible speeds, streaking across the upper atmosphere for hundreds of kilometers. In flight, the droplets cooled and hardened, taking on strange and beautiful shapes. The air carved patterns into their surfaces, the unique textures of Moldavite. It was a fiery rain that turned into a glassy shower. Most of it rained down over what is now the Czech Republic. Each piece is a frozen moment of cosmic violence and earthly transformation. Moldavite instantly grabs your attention with how it looks. Its color is a special shade of green, from bright apple green to deep forest and olive. Hold a piece up to the light and you'll see tiny bubbles inside. These aren't flaws, but little pockets of gas from when it cooled down super fast. The surface of the raw stone has a cool texture with deep grooves, pits, and wrinkles. This sculpted pattern is made by air pushing against it and chemicals eating away at it. When it's cut, it shines like glass, but many people love its natural shape best. Most pieces are small, only a few grams. Big ones are rare and very special. There are also record-breaking finds that are like museum stars. The main places to find it are South Bohemia and West Moravia. A little bit is found in Germany and Austria. These stones are found in layers of dirt and rock, in fields, and in sand and gravel pits. The source is limited, so each piece is rare and precious, like a treasure from Bohemia. Section 4. Whispers from Ancient Times. Long before science, people were fascinated by Moldavite. In ancient cultures, anything that fell from the sky was seen as a message, a gift from the gods. In Czech legends, green stones are magical charms. They were called the tears of a comet, a sign of sorrow or blessing. It was given for good luck, harmony, and health, a lucky stone. Today, Moldavite is highly respected in spiritual communities. Many feel the Moldavite flush, warmth, dizziness, a rush of emotions. It's considered a stone of quick change, working with the heart chakra and third eye. People use it for meditation, letting go of old things, and getting past creative blocks. Whether you believe it or not, the power of these stories is part of the stone's appeal. Tales of magic, healing, and change give the stone a soul, a messenger from the stars. Science's answer. Tektites have been seriously studied since the 20th century. Theories changed, from volcanoes to the moon. Modern analysis paints a clear picture. It's the result of a huge meteor impact. Lots of proof backs this up. Its chemistry is mostly silica, but it has tiny bits and special elements that show it came from space. Finding Le Chatelierite means it was made under super hot and high-pressure conditions. These kinds of conditions don't happen with regular volcanoes. Dating shows it's about 14.5 million years old. This age matches the Reese crater in Germany. They share a birthday. Where they're found, looks like a splash pattern. The bubbles inside hold gases from the upper atmosphere, like a snapshot of ancient air. Its sleek shapes mean it cooled and hardened while flying through the air. Science doesn't take away the wonder. It gives us the magic of proven truth. Today, its rarity and history make it highly sought after. Jewelers love its green color and glassy shine for rings, pendants, and earrings. Its natural shapes let you wear a piece of nature's art. Set in silver and gold, these are more than just accessories. They are wearable pieces of natural history. Collectors look for rare shapes, textures, colors, and hedgehogs. As mines run out, the price goes up. Sometimes it's an investment, but the market is full of fakes. Molded green glass can fool someone new to this. Real ones have worm-like flow lines, bubbles, Le Chatelierite inclusions, and a sharp sculpted texture. Buy from trusted sellers, ask for where it came from, and certificates, especially for bigger stones. Be careful, and you'll get a real piece of space history. In the end, the story of Moldavite is a conversation between two ways of knowing, through the heart and through the mind. Myths and beliefs give the stone a soul, meaning, healing, wonder. They speak the language of feelings, inviting a personal experience. Stories turn glass into a symbol of change and connection to the universe. Science gives us the truth, facts, geology, chemistry, physics, the journey from impact to silence underground. It shows us a different kind of magic, the power of nature's forces and Earth's history. These two stories don't fight. They make each other richer. Knowing its space origin makes the spiritual feeling stronger, and respect makes us pay attention to the details. When you hold Moldavite, you're holding a story written by fire and glass, a message from space. Value it for its beauty and its lesson. Approach the world with curiosity and wonder, honoring the gift from the sky and the earth that received it. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.